Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make beef vegetable stir fry with an easy recipe. Because of the lockdown, sometimes we don't have everything at home. I'm gonna show you whatever you have available at home, you can make it, and it's gonna be easy and simple. I hope you're gonna like it, and let's start with our recipe. I have here 400 grams of backstrap meat. I love backstraps because it's very tender and easy to use for stir fry. I'm gonna cut them thin strips. I'm using lamb. You can use beef if you want. So now I'm gonna add the sauce and the rest of the ingredient to the meat. I have 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna crush it. I'm gonna use a ginger, whatever ginger at home. You can use powder in a jar or fresh ginger. I'm gonna use the jar one teaspoon. I'm gonna use the light soy sauce. It's not much salty. 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use the Worcester Shire sauce. 1 tablespoon. If you don't have it, you can use the red wine vinegar. Add the corn flour or cornstarch, whatever you call it, 1 tablespoon. 1 egg. Mix everything together, and I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Keep mixing, massage the meat with the rest of the ingredient and leave it on the side, and we finish the rest of the recipe. 1 table cornstarch with 1 table water. Mix it together. And put them in the side for later. And now the rest of the ingredient: 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it together and put them on the side for later. Now let's talk about the vegetables. I don't have fresh vegetables at home because of the lockdown, so I'm gonna use the frozen vegetable stir fry. It's fine. I have 850 grams of frozen vegetables. I'm gonna use half the quantity because I don't need them all. Now, if you don't have a wok at home, you don't have to worry about it, because I don't have one. So I'm gonna use the deep pan fry. So first you heat the pan, and then you add the oil, and then you add the meat, because the oil, it has to be hot when you add the meat. It doesn't take long, it cooks very quickly. Like you see on the other side, I have another pot. I cooked the rice to be ready. So when I finish the meat and the vegetables, the rice, it's ready. so we can serve it straight away. It's only 1 cup and a half of rice with 3 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of oil, and that's it, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And let it cook slowly, it doesn't take long. When the meat starts browning, that means it's ready. Remove the meat to another plate, and then add a little bit of oil and add the vegetables. The vegetables still frozen, it doesn't take long to cook. When they get softened, you add the sauce. Mix it together. When the sauce gets thickened a little bit, I'm gonna add the cornstarch because I don't want runny liquid. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. I think 2 teaspoons it's enough. Now the meat. Mix everything together until the sauce gets thickened more. And it's everything ready now. We're gonna serve it. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on the top. If you don't have it, it's fine. And I'm gonna ask my grandchildren to try it and tell me their opinion. The recipe ready. What do you think, kids?
Yeah, very good.
How's the meat?
It's very tender.
Yeah, tender.
And like it's
And-
moist, it's not dry.
Yeah, and it's soft.
So you like it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very nice.